Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. So, two half circles overlapping each other. Maybe one big circle at the outside. Let's just use the base template because I think we can do absolutely everything on this one background. So first off, we'll do a radial gradient of this colour for looks like it's going to be a radius of maybe 240 pixels, and then this colour. Oh, and we want that to be 1Q or circle as it's known. How about 220? How about 200? 200's too small. 210. It is. So that gets us that one. Now we then need a radial gradient, also 1Q at 100%. What do we reckon they? Right, 270. Call that one 30. So 40 radius. But that's for the outside. Damn it! What was to the inside? 160. 260. Hang on. Oh, I measured wrong. Okay. 160. 270 is 110 divided by 2 is 55 pixels. So transparent for 55 pixels. Then yellow. 75 pixels, and then transparent. That ain't nowhere near big enough. If we make that 75 and 90. Maybe that big, and that might be the same. So minus 200 pixels gets us far too, but that does look, ooh, that is not going to be that same circle. 150. Okay, so let's make that 140 and 110. Oh, that is dead on half circle. Jolly good, jolly good. Right. Now we're just going to take this bit, do that. Then we're going to do a radial gradient. 1q at 0. RG. G. 130 pixels should line up. Let's go with that. Well, it should be reasonably close. 100% match. That I would say is reasonably close. Minify it, unit replace it, and see what we got. And today I can't think of any other ways of doing it. So we're going to leave it there, or are we? Huh. Let's do something slightly insane. I don't think it's going to save us any characters, but it could be fun. So that's actually 10. So that has probably cost us a few characters all in all. Let's just check whether or not it's still 100%. Modify, unit replace. Yeah, it's longer than our original solution. But it's another way of doing it. All we've done is move the two radials so that instead of being on the background and shifting them by that and that, we've made the middle its own little bit and then just stuffed the two circles as they should be. Don't think we can get away with one circle and a width. But we could try it. Let's just do naught slash 35 W? No. Yeah, you can't do it. Okay, so we'll load back up our first, which is that one. We can actually take 2 characters off of that straight away. Any more that we could take off? Could I make this 260 pixels and still have the same? Yes, I can. All that does is gets rid of... Ooh, that gets rid of lots of characters. Why is that not a match? Because that's not quite right. 250. Of course it'd be 270. I bet that doesn't unit... Oh, that does unit replace nicely. Okay. Now then. I don't think I can get away with using... No. But maybe 45. No. No, we're stuck with the 130. Because I don't think it'll work with 270 pixels. Nah, nowhere near. Is there anything else we can... No. Okay. Okay, and that's where we're going to leave it today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.